Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the microphone output on your PlayStation 5. So you may have a headset plugged in and you want to use the controller microphone. Well, this is very easy to do. All you have to do is press the PlayStation button. And then here's the quick menu. Scroll on over to microphone, and I'm going to unmute my microphone right here. But I can also go up to where it says mic right here. And you can see I have the option for my headset, which is plugged in, and then I have the wireless controller. So let's switch on over to my headset microphone. Now I can see that I can mute it or unmute it right here, or I can adjust the microphone level under here. So just use the slider and make sure it's in the good section right here, and you should be good to go. Now another way that you can change this is by going to settings, scroll on down until we get to sound, and then we have the first option, microphone. We can go to the input device and we can switch back over to the wireless controller microphone, just the level right here. We can change the microphone status when logged in if we want to mute it or unmute it. So we can go to mute, or microphone status when starting voice chat or broadcast. It says don't change, but we can switch it to mute as well. So look through these different options. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech reviews coming up next on YourSixTech.